So you said you were at Fruitvale early on the day.
Yes, I was.
And so tell me about what's happened since then.
Well, what happened since then, we marched all the way down here, and all we want is justice. All we want is seen is justice. In the world today, the police can kill anybody and shoot them, but get away with it and get paid with relief. We do it, we go to jail. We serve murder charges.
And I've been beaten by police myself.
My brother didn't been beaten by police.
And if you don't get big publicity like this, nothing to happen if you don't have money.
So now they want to gas us. Now they want to shoot us. Now they want to beat us down because we're out here protesting against them.
Well,
we should have the right.
So what's it been like protesting today? So you were at BART, and I heard BART got shut down,
Yeah,
right?
BART got shut down, and now they're trying to shut our march down.
So how did you get out here from BART?
I walked.
You walked?
Yes, I walked all the way from Fruitvale BART all the way downtown.
And what happened when you were down at 7th and Broadway?
Actually, 7th and Broadway, they try to gas us.
So can you describe to me what happened?
They all came in SWAT teams. They all was chasing after us, telling us we couldn't go, pushing a lot of us around and telling us we had to go around. And then they brought out the gas mask like they're doing right now.
And basically, what have people in the crowd been doing?
All we doing is protesting, baby. All we want to do is have justice. That's it. This is what it is.
It is what it is. Fuck the police.
Did you see the trash cans and stuff get set on fire?
No, I didn't.
So that's what they're playing on the news. What do you think that when's the last time you were at a protest out in Oakland where you saw people really angry about what was happening?
Not for a long time. Haven't.
Do you think that it takes like very public shootings like this to bring people out?
It does. It takes an innocent person to get shot by the police to bring all of us together, and it shouldn't be like that, but it is.
And I think what you hear a lot of people saying is this is such a common experience. Oscar got shot.
Yes.
But people are used to being harassed by the police at BART and other places.
Yeah.
So what do you think will happen? What do you think people will do beyond today? Like beyond the protests that are happening today?
Oh, we're going to keep marching. We're going to keep protesting. And we're going to keep doing this until justice is served, until that police officer that shot Oscar is in jail and is serving murder charges. That's what we're going to do.
Do you think that it's helping that everybody has a camera these days to record and document?
Oh yes, it's helping a lot because at the BART station when Oscar got shot, the police tried to take all the picture cameras and all that away from the people that recorded the shooting.
And you said that you know his family?
Yes, I know his sister Ebony.
And have you talked to her since this happened?
Yeah, she was up there at Fruitvale BART and she spoke a lot.
What did she talk about?
She's talking about she wants justice to be served for her brother's killing, and she wants the police officer to turn himself in for the murder of her brother.
And what would you like to see come out of the protests that have happened today?
I want the police to stop killing innocent people.